Hello everybody, I'm here today, my bro. And here today gonna show y'all how to put air in tank inside Acura '01 Acura CL. These the parts of the air in tank kit. Just let it go in here. Alright, first thing you're gonna do is take out the engine cover off the car. Make sure you take the 4 screws that's holding down all so you can be able to get to the airflow sensor. So just like he's doing right now. You should get all that off. So when you take all the screws out, it should look like this. So it's easier to get more space to work with. Alright, then next we're gonna take out the air flow sensor, the old one. So you make sure you unplug it, unscrew the clips and the screws off the air filter. It's the old one, so we replace it with the new one. And make sure you get the clips off of both sides. Remove, then you pull up the air sensor, the airflow sensor out the car, just like this. You just toss that to the side. You don't need any of that no more. You can either sell it or just keep it. Alright, then you get your new air tank with the filter, just like we holding right now. And make sure you tie in, put the clips on each side. But we had to get an extra pipe because the filter was too small, so we had to get an extra extended pipe. And you put both clips on one side and on the other side to tighten up the pipe and the air intake system inside the car. You make sure you tighten every screw on the clamps so it will be tight. It won't be all loose when you start the car and start moving. So let's make sure you got it real tight. That's my brother doing right here. Then as soon as you do that, you're gonna put the air filter on, put the extended pipe we brought because it was too short. So we had to add the extra part. Then you screw all the clamps on both sides, as they doing right now. Then we screw the last one on the edge of the pipe. Like that. Then get the your hose, the little breathing hose. We took off the old one. We attached it to the new air tank. It's be like on the bottom. We attach it to the one end like that. Then you're gonna attach the other end to the new air filter, to the new air sensor. It's gonna be on the bottom of the air tank to the extra flow. Put your little air cover back on, like that. Make sure you screw all the full, put the screws back in, tighten it up, like this. And there you have it. Got a full install. The air tank inside the acura. Make the car sound better, get more power to your cars. And yeah, that's it, and thank you for watching.